Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sepia filters on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit. And after this, in here you just click on the filters at the bottom. This one, you just click on it. And after this, in here at the filter, you can swipe until you can see, in here at the menu on the filter, so you just click on the style, click on it, and then in here you just click on the sepia. And now you can adjust the sepia filter, this one, so you just click on the so you just swipe this icon to left or right like this, and after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add sepia filters on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye bye.